Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys how I make breaded chicken, and I'm also going to be making a bean soup to go with it, and it's so good. So let's get right to it. Here I have organic chicken breast. I'm going to use this bag right here. You can use plastic wrap. So I don't have a meat tenderizer, so I'm going to use a cup to do this. Now that my chicken is all tenderized and more flat and thinner, I'm gonna marinate it. I'm gonna add the juice of a lemon. And I'm gonna add some olive oil to this. About a tablespoon. Onion salt to this. Some salt. And I'm going to add some black pepper. Alright, go ahead and mix that up. Okay. I'm just gonna mix it up. Now that everything is marinating, I'm gonna set that to the side. So while the chicken is marinating, I'm gonna make a bean soup, and I'm gonna show you guys how I make that bean soup. So I have this heating up, and I'm gonna add some olive oil. Ooh, I was cutting an onion, I'm crying. So I'm gonna add some olive oil. Ooh, it's getting hot. I'm gonna add some onions to this. I'm gonna mix that up. I'm gonna grate some garlic in there. Okay.
Wait, it took me a long time to transform into a helicopter. Can I give him a helicopter fluid?
Okay. I'm gonna mix that up.
Can I become an Autobot? Can I?
That smells so good. Okay, so now that the onions have caramelized a little, I'm gonna add some fresh chicken stock that I made the other day.
No bubbly coming?
I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of ground cumin. Here I have some beans. Some black beans that I cooked the other day and I just saved. And then I added corn to them when I ate them. I'm going to put beans in my soup once the water is boiling. I'm going to... Okay.
I have machine guns and these right here. Sir.
Now I'm going to add some broccoli to this. You can add whatever veggies you have. I'm also going to add some cabbage. This one right here. I'm going to turn off the heat. Look at that. That looks bam. Bam. Cherry tomatoes right here. I'm gonna add that in there. Bam. Look at that. It's a fiesta soup right there. Put the lid on it. And it'll be ready when I'm ready to serve it. Okay, here I've got the chicken that just was. Here's the chicken that was marinating. So now I'm gonna bread it. So I'm not gonna use eggs for this because the lemon, the oil, it's gonna allow the bread to stick to the chicken. So the egg's not necessary. Plus, I don't like adding egg because I feel like it tastes. I can taste it. So I like it like this. So I'm gonna put it here. I've got my pan heating up right here with some olive oil. Now that the oil is hot, boys are fighting.
Dang, dude.
I'm gonna start serving. All right, and here I have some seasoned rice. Oh yeah, baby. Here's the chicken. So. I'm gonna be serving this with some feta cheese.
Oh, look at. No, we're getting ready for dinner.
And I'm gonna serve it with avocado. Oops. Ta-da! Limoncito, and there you have it. Time for the taste test. I'm gonna start with the chicken. Oh, it's so good. It's crunchy. I get that hint of lemon. This is just basmati rice that I made in the pressure cooker that I seasoned with this right here. That's good. Now I'm gonna be trying the soup. It's got so much flavor. It is so good. Alright you guys, and there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. Also click that bell notification button. It lets you know when I post more videos, and I'll be posting another video next week. And yeah, so I will see you guys next week. Bye bye.